Hi everyone, this is Nissy from Kukai, Japan. I'm Japan's top Google Workspace YouTuber and I'm excited to share this globally. Today, I'll share tips on how to use Gmail in Google Workspace to boost your productivity. This isn't just about running the tools, it's about using them effectively to simplify your work. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive in. Point 1. What you can do with Gmail. Gmail isn't just for sending emails. It's an all-in-one workspace. You can chat, manage tasks, schedule meetings, and even edit files without leaving the Gmail screen. On the right side of Gmail, you can check your to-do list and daily schedule in Google Calendar. Everything you need is in one place. Super convenient. Point 2. Recommended Gmail settings. I'll share 3 simple settings to make Gmail even more efficient. 1. Enable chat and meet. Click the settings icon, check the boxes for chat and meet, and you are ready to go. 2. Enable keyboard shortcuts. Click the settings icon, click See All Settings, scroll down to the middle of the screen, turn keyboard shortcuts from off to on. Finally, click Save. Let me introduce my recommended shortcut. C. Compose email. D. Compose email with giant screen. R. Reply. A. Reply all. F. Forward. E. Archive. T. Add email to task. 3. Vertical split view. Vertical split is convenient because you can click on an email and check its content on the same screen, and if you don't need it, you can archive it. Point 3. Tips for effectively using Gmail. 1. Unified to-do list. Add tasks in Gmail's sidebar or drag emails directly into the list. Task syncs with Google Calendar, so when you complete one, it's updated everywhere. Gmail, Calendar, and even Docs. 2. Assign to-dos in chat or Docs. In chat, use the task feature to assign a task and due date. The assignee gets notified and it syncs with their to-do list. In Docs, type Outmark to assign tasks, link them to Calendar, and track them easily. 3. Integrated chat, files, and Meet. No need to switch tools like Slack or Zoom. Use chat in Gmail to open shared files or jump into a Meet call instantly. You can even edit documents or spreadsheets right within Gmail. It's seamless and keeps everything in one place. Did you like it? Gmail is more than just email. It's a powerful productivity tool. My personal favorite is the to-do list because it syncs with Calendar, chat, and Docs in real time. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.